Hello, and this is the website that I designed to upload all the information for the STEM course. So I use Google Sites and I use the classroom template. So as you can see at the top, the topic and the label of the website is Pre-clinical course in the operating room. And what I like about it, my navigation tabs are here on the left. So starting out with your home page, we have homework assignments, extra credit, contact information. You can, upload a picture. Here's a picture of me and my wife. Um, so you can upload some information here about me, about the professor. Coming back to the home screen here, we also have class announcements, calendars, reading lists, useful links, class photos. I did upload a picture of my upcoming graduating class of 2018. So here's a good shot of the group. These guys are very excited to move on to start working. We also have forms and documents, expectations of the course, an overview, instruction, resources, references, and then future work. What I would like to do also is add in our modules right in here so they can click on the module, go right to the web page, and start working. There's also a spot here, to give kudos to students. We have Student of the Month, Work of the Week, or Word of the Week, I'm sorry, which is also going to come in handy for the medical terminology portion of the course. So any type of reminders or announcements and then homework assignments that are due, and they can also post it in here as well. I really like this format as far as making a portion of this course a hybrid. Students can access the website 24 hours a day from anywhere to get their work completed. They can also ask questions, and have discussion groups within the web page itself. So I'm very excited about using this web page for my pre-clinical course, and yeah, that's where I'm at so far. So thank you. Have a good day.